from Thailand. So today I wanted to do a really special video and I wanted to try some local Thai brands and try it on my face. Basically I picked up a few products from some beauty stores here in Thailand. I picked up 4 products and I wanted to try them out on my face and give you guys what I thought. I was really curious about Thai beauty products in Thailand because I noticed that they actually have a lot of similar trends to Korea, and I just wanted to compare what the products were like, and I was actually really curious how well they would do in terms of oil control, just because it's so humid here in Thailand that I feel like some of the products might really be geared towards that, especially this product from Brute Super Oil Control Powder. I'm really curious about this. I heard really good things about this one from a friend of mine. So yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna first start off by maybe applying a cushion. So this one is from ODBO. It's a Thai brand and it's a CC cushion that claims to have oil control and SPF 20. So I'm going to be opening it and trying it for the first time on camera for you guys. The product comes in a black case like this. ODBO CC Matte Powder Cushion Oil Control. I'm not the biggest fan of the font, but I like that it's black. And I'm going to be opening this. Comes in a little thing like this, and then let's open it live on camera. Like a typical cushion. I've tried a lot of cushions in my day, so I'm excited to try a Thai one. Wow, it's very light. Right off the bat, it's very light. Whoa, okay, you guys, I think this is kind of a fail. It's like too white. Okay, so I can't really judge the cushion right off the bat just because the color does not match my face at all. You know what, I'm in this deep, so we've got to continue on with this. I look like a ghost. Luckily, I have another product here, like highlight and contour, so we're gonna work and try to make this more natural. Let's work with light skin. But yeah, right off the bat, it's like really bright. It's definitely gotten brighter, or not brighter, just whiter. But you know what, the more I'm looking at it, I actually don't mind it. I think this would be, in terms of, if I got the right color match, I think I could have just left it alone, but I think this would be really great to kind of apply on the cheeks and here, and then use a more natural color around the face. But right off the bat, in terms of texture, I quite like it. It claims to be a matte powder, so a powder finish, I can kind of attest to that. It doesn't really feel like dewy. The next thing I'm going to be using is from the Thai brand. It's from a brand called Sivana Colors. This is the highlight and contour palette, and it comes with like a lot of colors. This is probably the product I'm most excited about using because it's like a palette just for contouring and highlighting. So as you can see here, this one will be nice for shading. This might be good for in the corners of the eye. A lighter kind of shading color, and this kind of looks more like it has like a reddish tint, so I feel like this would be good for a blush. All the highlighters have a lot of shimmer in it, so I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use this dark shade right here with my MAC 105 brush. Just apply a little bit. Whoa. Okay, this is a total fail. I feel like all the colors I'm using are like not doing very well. What am I doing? We are gonna make this work. Right off the bat, I applied way too much contour on the cheek, but we will fix it. I am adamant about fixing this. Okay, we're gonna go fix this guy right here. I'm gonna go get a makeup remover. Okay, so I'm back. I kind of fixed the right side. So we're gonna go in again, and instead of doing the cheeks, I'm actually gonna go and contour my nose. I'm gonna use the dark shade again. Just use a little bit on the sides of my nose. Right here. And I'm gonna mix this light shade with this shade for the corners of my nose right here. I don't mind that. It's very fragranced. That is something I will say. It smells like your mom's makeup pouch or something. It's very heavy in terms of fragrance. I'm also gonna go into the corners of my eye with this kind of like red taupe color. This is actually really pretty. It's kind of hard to tell with makeup sometimes. Sometimes I have to wait throughout the day just to see how I feel about a product, because it depends on how well it stays on the skin and what the finish is like after like an hour of being outside and whatnot. So the contour on the nose is a little harsh, I will admit. I'm gonna now go in and try a highlighter, probably this one right here on the tip of my nose. I almost never use a highlighter with shimmer in it. So, and then let's use this golden one right here in the corners of the eye. I'm gonna actually go in with the same MAC 105 brush and do the highlights of my cheek. I'm gonna use this baby right here, this golden one. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not gonna do it like the contour that I did earlier. I didn't apply too much. I'm gonna apply a little bit. This highlight's nice just because it's on the orange end of things. Okay, so this is not a Thai product, but I just want to finish and fill in my brows because I want to see what a finished look will be like with Thai products. Let me know if you guys want me to do a brow video in the future, because I've learned a few things along the way. Okay, so this is what the look looks like right now using the Thai products. What do you guys think so far? Not bad. Not bad? You like it? I'm now gonna go in with the this is the product I've heard the most about, the Brute Super Oil Control Powder. It comes in like a little white container like this. Oh, it's like a matte powder. Like that. Once again, very fragrant. A little too much. That's one thing I don't really like. It smells really like fragrancy. But I'm gonna go in. There's a bit of color in it. I don't really like the cushion actually, because there's nowhere to kind of like put it on. Like there's no little handle, you have to kind of like use it. But I will use the cushion right here and just set my lip, my T-zone. Okay, this cushion is crap. I want to throw it away. And then I'm actually gonna just use a brush. Set my under eye. Okay, so I'm back. I took a look in the mirror because I feel like it gives a better idea of the finish, but it's very dry on my skin, the powder, I would say. So maybe I used a little bit too much in general. And I would give, I'm not a fan of this one actually. I feel like it kind of makes my face look a little cakey. The cushion, I actually don't mind. If the color matched it, it would actually be something I would be consider using. And also I would use this to kind of highlight my face and then use more natural color around the ends of it. And the contour, I would selectively use some of the colors for maybe my eye or for shading. I wouldn't do my cheeks like I did in the beginning because it was a little harsh, especially mixed with this, which was like super light. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me doing trying out Thai makeup products. If you're in Thailand and you see some of these products, check it out if you're looking for something that's like a very matte and that has a lot of oil control. They're very affordable. That's something I would say. But yeah, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. So I applied a little bit of on this just to kind of make it less matte. And this is what it looks like in different lighting, not just daylight. The color is not as white as I imagined it to be. And after applying the mist, this is the finish. Anyways, bye!